wish you had gloves on now, don't you? What's that? Kick you in the nuts. I can say whatever I want. Man, this stuff smells just like hot pea. I swear that's oil base.
Richie, tell them what we're doing.
This is the outside of our canister that is making our sort of diesel air cleaner for the side of the Carryall. Still needs a little work on this foot. This will get cut and welded to the side of this to hold the tank, and we'll seal this all up real good. And then we have an oil bath air cleaner on the ground that's going on top of this.
We'll show you more later.
Except for the whole top part. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's glowing on this side. You might want to concentrate some more heat on the tank. Might want to hammer that closed a little bit more, huh? Looks awfully gappy on the inside. Yeah, I wouldn't touch it.
Well, that's going to be on the bottom.
Yeah.
I'll just weld in on the outside.
Yeah, I want to grind it to look good. Put some filler on it. We're off for the... Not too bad. Close. Pretty close. Alright. Gotta jig them up now. Jig them up, jig them up, jig them up. Tell the old folks what we've done, Scotty.
Huh?
Tell the old folks what we've done.
Well, we're trying to make a fake breather to hide the AC box that we couldn't talk him out of. So that was our solution, because it would not fit in this cab without cutting a hole. And me and Rich come up with this idea to set him on here and make a fake snorkel breather type deal. We're going to paint it. It won't be left like this, but
It's not gonna be painted perfect though, 'cause it looks. We want it to look military. Military, as you can tell from like over here where all the welds are, it's not meant to look good. It's just meant to be functional.
But what we'll have in the end, piece of pipe here, setting kind of here, and this is what you'll see. So that'll give you an idea. I think we need to set it more towards the front.
Yeah, offset it a little bit.
Yeah, not centered.
Yeah, it looks weird when it's centered like that for some reason.
Set it towards the front.
Yeah. Don't try to get it up too high.
This will just gauge it.
Yeah, we'll figure it out.
You know, we'd always fill this with
Seam sealer?
yeah.
Yeah, that's what I figured.
We'll have to do a lot of grinding and sanding.
That's dirt.
Still.
Yeah, I know, but I think we can hit it with a wire wheel and it'd be good to start, prime it and stuff. Now what, we're going to tack that onto the body now?
Well, thinking we'd press a piece of pipe first, kind of get that roll in that pipe.
Yeah, the 3-inch.
You know what I mean?
Yep.
Maybe right here in the front, kind of right on that edge.
Yeah, 'cause we ain't got to weld it on there yet. We can, put it up there and hold it. And
If we do it on that edge, then this will be kind of,
yeah, make this
like
flush
that.
with the
Yeah.
dome.
yeah.
Yeah.
I think that'll work. Don't you?
Yeah. We got to make sure that when we swing the door down, it don't hit it.
Oh, it is plenty.
Did it? Yeah. Another thing we could have done if we had one. If we had a,
See there?
yeah,
It ain't nothing.
if we had a metal radiator, just a nice radiator cap would look good on that. You didn't even need a breather, you know it? It would look like an auxiliary tank for anything. But the oil bath's the way we need to go to make it look more military. It's gonna be tough to get lined up with the front end jacked up and everything. Oh, you're lining it up with the body line, yeah.
Trying to. I don't know, it just, to me it don't look complete like it is.
Yeah, it looks like it's out of place. Especially after we extended it out and everything, which it's not even that noticeable, but it is at the same time. Yeah, we need to get it on there. So today's plan, like most things, is Scott's gonna finish our oil bath diesel breather hider thingy, and I am going to be bending brake lines and double flaring them. Well, not double flaring, bubble flaring, to connect from there to the ABS module down there. What I did was I reused all of the fittings off of the old lines and got the brake line here, cutting this double flare off to start bubble flaring and bolting them up and starting to bend. It's going to take a little bit of time to do these, so I'll get them out of the way now. I have to do 2 from here to the module and 3 from the module to, I don't know if you can see it, but back there is where they bolt to. So yeah, I'm gonna have plenty of time in brake line bending today.
Well, we got her done. Looking pretty good if I say so myself. Just gotta weld it here to the truck over this area. Richie's over here working on some brakes. How's it going, Richie?
Sucks.
What's up? What's up, man?
It's too long. I have to bend up this one all the way around to here, and then two more go in front of that, and then these two bottom ones go up to the brake master cylinder. And they're all bubble flares, which we don't have a tool for yet. I just ordered one. So it's basically bending with the old bender and hand. And it's going to take a while. I'm going to push so hard in the balls.
It sounds like a little whining going on here. You want some?
Yeah, I want some cheese.
With that wine.
I like me some cheese.